Hey guys, welcome back. Today we're going to be talking about the differences between something that is a fair event and something that is an unfair event. So, a fair event is where all of your outcomes have the same chance. So, think of a number cube. You have numbers 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, and 6 on them. So if you watch my last video on theoretical probability and experimental probability, you remember that you have a 1 out of 6 chance of getting any of these outcomes when you roll the die, because they all occur only once on the number cube, so it is a fair situation. Everything has the same chance. If I were to play one of those boardwalk or carnival games, the spinner games, let's say you had to spin on this little tiny sliver right here that I'm coloring in order to win the prize. That's not going to be very fair because all of the space that is white in the spinner means you lose. So that is an example of an unfair event. You can say that something is fair when it is a uniform probability model because everything here is uniform. So words like random will always mean something is unfair. If you're selecting someone randomly, if you're picking something randomly, it means there is no rhyme or reason about it, and there could be more than one option. So I just want to go over the three examples I have here to decide if it's fair or unfair. So the first one is picking a student where all students' names are in a hat one time. Well, if everybody's name is in the same hat one time, that is a fair event. Everybody has the same chance of getting their name chosen. Let's look at number 2. Picking a book at random off the shelf. So when you hear that word random, you should automatically know this is going to be unfair. Because what if there are 10 books on the shelf and this one is really small, or it's really big, or it's the only book on the shelf? You don't know, so it's unfair. And the last one, you're selecting a marble in a bag where there are 2 of each color but 4 of the red. But if there's 2 of every color, but the red has 4, that means there are more red. So it's likely that the red could get chosen before any of the other colors. So this would be unfair. If you had a situation where you were selecting a marble and they each had 2 marbles in the bag of each color, that would be fair. But because they told us there is more of the red, it automatically makes it unfair. I hope that this tutorial was helpful for you. Please like and subscribe to the channel for more, and leave a comment below if you have any questions. Thanks for watching.